Hi there, Laura Wilson from Gold Star Work here. Welcome to my daily painting exercises. Now today I am going to be working on a composition idea for my poppy painting that I want to work on in my studio. And yesterday I did an L composition, and today I'm going to be working on a triangle on my little practice painting. So let's go get painting. So I've finished this 30-minute warm-up painting now. Here's my triangle composition, and if I choose to do this composition, I will be putting my bumblebee on my main flower here somewhere, probably around the middle of the flower, and I may or may not put another one in. I haven't decided that yet, but I might just put one in if I choose that composition. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I hope you get your paints out today and do, even if it's only 30 minutes painting, do some painting. So happy painting everyone, and I'll see you next time. Bye!